Hello everyone. Today we will see how to get hour, minute and second from date in Excel. So let's start. This is the date column. Here we can see date in month, day and year format and the time in hour, minute and second format. To extract hour, type HOUR, open bracket, select the cell, close bracket, enter. You will get the hour 6, 12, 17, 1, 2, 8. Here's this time is following 24-hour format, that's why 17 means 5 p.m. Now to extract minute, type minute, then open bracket, select the cell, close bracket, enter. You can see you will get minute 0, 0, 37, 7, 45 and 15. And finally for seconds we have to type second, open bracket, select the cell, close bracket, enter. You will get the seconds 10, 17, 40, 7, 32, 52. So this is how we can extract hour, minute and second from date in Excel. That's all for today. Thank you very much.